we're gonna go through Senorita by VAV because we just went through the first chorus last week in our Arizona Kpop Dance Workshop and it was so much fun. I actually was the one who picked up that song because I just love the Latin style music slash K-pop dance, so we just went through the first chorus and it was so much fun. So in this video I'm gonna give you guys a quick tutorial for the first chorus and we also gonna dance with the actual music at the end, so hopefully you guys can join and dance with me. Also, if you want to join our in-person K-pop dance workshop in Arizona, all of the information are in the description, so make sure to check them out. And also you can join our Facebook group called the Arizona Kpop Dance Workshop to attend the live workshop on Tuesdays and Thursdays in Arizona time. Alright, please don't forget to give us thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and let's begin. Alright, so first we're gonna start on 7 today. So 5, 6, and then 7, you're gonna open your arms and take your right leg to the side and flick. When you put your right foot behind your left, you're gonna cross your arms. Your right hand is behind your left hand, left arm. Here we go. So first you're just gonna cross your arms and then open and flick and cross. Here we go. 5, 6, and 7, 8. There you go. 5, 6, and 7, 8. Now you're gonna bring your right hand in front and then you're gonna slide them down on your left hand. Yeah, you can also have a little space between your fingers and just slide it down. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Here we go. 1, bring it front, and 2, slide it down. And when you slide it down, you're gonna add your head accent as well. 1, 2. Here we go. Up, down. After that, you're gonna open your arms and just make a circles and grab your body. Your right hand on your left shoulder. Your left hand is just gonna be on your right ab. And you're also gonna open your legs and slide your arms and touch your shoulders and bring it down. Here we go. So open, hook. Now 1, 2. And as soon as you open your arms, step into the left and grab your body, slide it to your shoulders and touch your knee. Here we go. In a count. 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go. 4, 5 on your shoulders, and 6, bring it down. Here we go. One more time. 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then after that, you're gonna slide to the back with your right foot. From here, your hands go through your body and slide it back. And then take your right shoulder to the back and face right. Here we go. And as soon as you face right, take your left hand up. Your hand is more like this, 3 fingers up to peace sign. But you don't need to extend fully. You can just more relax and up. Here we go. So after hands on your knees, slide back and right shoulder back and hands up. Here we go. And then you're gonna step forward twice. 1, 2. Here we go. When you step, your legs is just gonna be left, right, left, right. Your arms, your shoulder is gonna be left, right, left, right. But you can also make circles if you can with your chest moves. Front, back, twice. Here we go. Front, back, back. And then after that, you're gonna step onto the right and then clap your hands, switch your legs, and one more time switch your legs. Here we go. So after step and step, first you're gonna lean to the right, hands on top, and take your left foot up. Now, when you land it, you're gonna take your right foot forward and then clap your hands on the bottom. Here we go. And then one more time, we're gonna switch your legs and boom, pull it to yourself. Here we go. But this part is gonna be a little fast. So step and up, down, cross. Here we go. Good. Alright, let's start from the beginning. 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now slide and right, up and step and right, clap, down. Good. Okay, one more time in the count. 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slide and right. Up and step and up, down. Cool. Here we go. After that, you're gonna lean to the right and left, right. So after this, you're gonna extend your arms. Your right arm is up, left arm is down, and then make a fist. Now you're gonna make a wave, left, right, and left, right. You can also move your body as well. Left, right, left, right. We're gonna go twice. So after pull it, when you lean to the right, your arms is just gonna start waving left, right, and one more, left, right. And then you're gonna slide into the left. Your hands are going to be over your head, and throw it to your left with your right foot, and then step in, and then again push down from your left foot. Push down. Good. Now we are halfway. Let's start from the beginning. 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoulders, knees, slide right up and step and right. Pull left, right, and slide, throw, and down. Yes. After throw it, put your feet together, and one more time from your left foot down. Alright, in the count, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now in the actual music, it's gonna be like almost 3 times faster than this. So let's do a little speed up. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, down, pull. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide, throw, and down. Okay, so when you come to down, we're gonna move into the second half. Now we're gonna slide to the right. Yes, extend your left arm, push, and your right foot step. Now cross and up. Yeah, this move is like Rina, we were talking about it in the workshop. But push, cross up. Yes, when you go up, extend your right leg. Your right arm is go around your head, and your hands come to your cheek and throw your face and back to the center. So your legs is just gonna be slide, cross up, and step. In a count, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Throw your face on 6. Alright, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're gonna punch down. Yeah. 7, 8. When you come back to the center, now you're gonna open your legs, bend your knees, and push it down to the left with your right hand, like a fist. Your left hand, open your hands, and you can grab your shoulder like this. And then you're gonna step to the right, or just lean to the right and push it down. And then you're gonna again face front, put your legs together and your hands in front of your chest. Now again, you're gonna open your legs. Here we go. Now this time when you open your legs, boom, draw a circle with both of your arms outward. Boom, here we go. And then your arms is gonna be right, left. Here we go. So from the second half, step and up, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now punch to the right and front, open and right, left. In the count, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. After that, you're gonna take your right foot forward. Boom, boom. You can relax on your right hand. You can also put your left hand on your pants. Just step out, in, in. And then the last thing, you're gonna pull your right elbow, bend your left knee, take it up, pull. Now touch with your right hand and then drop your heel down, not your toe, but heel down and open your arms and close, face front, and then step back, step back, step back, and slide to the right. Good. Last step is just gonna be bend your knees. You can also put your weight on your toes so that you can maintain the balance easily. But bend your knees out, in, out, in, out, in, and slide to the right. Good. Okay. Now this is it. Let's start from the second half. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Push. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, left, and 1, 2, 3. Now pull, touch, open, close, right, left, right, and slide. All right, let's do a little bit faster. 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Push. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and right. 3, 4. Pull, touch, open, close, right, left, right, and slide. All right, now let's put everything together. We're gonna practice 2 more with the counts and cues, and let's try with the actual music. Here we go from the beginning. 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slide and right, up and step, step and right, down, pull, left, right, slide, throw, and down. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Push. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, and slide. Great. All right, next one. I'm just gonna count, no cues. Let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's do with the music. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, slide. Right, up, and step, and up, down, pull, left, right, and slide, down, and down, slide, up, 5, 6, 7, 8, push, and 5, 6, 7, and right, pull, touch, up, close, right, left, right. All right, good job, guys, and thank you so much for dancing with me today. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave some comments and let me know. Also, feel free to join our Arizona Kpop Dance Workshop for in-person class or live class. All of the information are in the description. So, hope to see you guys soon. Alright, please don't forget to give us thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! 안녕하세요! So as you can see, I'm not perfect from the beginning, but I usually spend 3 to 5 hours to remember the choreography, break it down into the counts, and get ready to teach. I've watched their dance video for like 100 times, but also counts, so it helps me to remember the moves. And once I get the choreo, I see myself on the mirror and check each form. After 5 hours of practice, it went like this.
Señorita, cuando eres una cosita,